Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn About section using ChatGPT prompts, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Locate the About section on your profile page. Click the pencil icon to open a new tab in your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once on ChatGPT, start by asking for help drafting your LinkedIn About section. Provide specific details about your professional background, skills, and career goals. Request prompts that focus on your industry and highlight your unique selling points. Once ChatGPT generates a response, read through the suggestions thoroughly. Select the sentences or phrases that resonate most with your professional persona. You may want to ask ChatGPT for additional variations or suggestions if needed. Copy the selected text from ChatGPT. Return to your LinkedIn profile and paste the text into the About section. Make any additional edits to personalize the content further. Ensure the text is well structured and flows smoothly. Keep in mind the LinkedIn character limit for the About section. Once you are satisfied with the content, double-check for grammar and spelling errors. Finally, click the Save button to update your About section. Congratulations, your LinkedIn About section is now updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.